Chia seeds may be small, but they're incredibly rich in nutrients. A staple in the ancient Aztec and Maya diets, these seeds have been touted for their health benefits for centuries. The nutrients in chia seeds may promote heart health, support strong bones, and improve blood sugar management. Chia seeds are versatile and can be used in many recipes. In this video, we'll talk about the benefits of chia seeds. Highly nutritious. Chia seeds are superfoods that contain highly nutritious. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various micronutrients, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. A single ounce, 28 grams, of chia seeds contains approximately 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and 9 grams of fat, including 5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Loaded with antioxidants. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of antioxidants. Chia seeds are a rich source of antioxidants, particularly polyphenols. Polyphenols are a group of plant compounds that have been shown to have powerful antioxidant properties. Research has shown that consuming foods that are high in polyphenols can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Chia seeds also contain other antioxidants, including quercetin, camphorol, and caffeic acid. These antioxidants work together to help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. May support weight loss. The fiber and protein in chia seeds may benefit those trying to lose weight. Eating fiber may play a role in preventing overweight and obesity. The protein in chia seeds could help reduce appetite and food intake. The high fiber content of chia seeds can help regulate bowel movements and promote healthy digestion, which can also contribute to weight loss. May lower your risk of heart disease. Chia seeds are high in fiber and omega-3s. Consuming them may reduce your risk of heart disease. The high fiber content of chia seeds can help lower cholesterol levels, which is a risk factor for heart disease. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, have also been shown to have beneficial effects on heart health. ALA can help lower triglyceride levels, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function, all of which can help lower the risk of heart disease. Contain many important bone nutrients. Chia seeds are high in calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium nutrients that are important for bone health. Calcium is a key mineral for building and maintaining strong bones, and chia seeds are a good plant-based source of calcium. 1 ounce, 28 grams, of chia seeds contains about 18% of the recommended daily intake of calcium. Magnesium is another mineral that is important for bone health, as it helps regulate calcium levels in the body. Chia seeds are a good source of magnesium, with 1 ounce containing about 30% of the recommended daily intake. Phosphorus is also important for bone health, as it helps make up the structure of bones and teeth. Chia seeds are a good source of phosphorus, with 1 ounce containing about 27% of the recommended daily intake. Chia seeds also contain vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. While chia seeds do not contain high levels of vitamin D, they can still be a valuable source of this important nutrient when consumed as part of a balanced diet. May reduce blood sugar levels. Consuming chia seeds may help with blood sugar regulation, possibly due to their fiber content and other beneficial compounds. People with diabetes may experience high blood sugar levels. Consistently high fasting blood sugar levels are associated with an increased risk of several complications, including heart disease. The soluble fiber in chia seeds can also help improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for people with type 2 diabetes. Insulin sensitivity refers to how responsive the body's cells are to insulin, which is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Improving insulin sensitivity can help lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications associated with type 2 diabetes. Easy to incorporate into your diet. Chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. They taste rather bland, so you can add them to pretty much anything. You don't need to grind, cook, or otherwise prepare them, making them a handy addition to recipes. They can be eaten raw, soaked in juice, or added to oatmeal, pudding, smoothies, and baked goods. You can also sprinkle them on top of cereal, yogurt, vegetables, or rice dishes. Plus, it works wonders in homemade fritters as a binding agent.